The Logitech G402 wired is an excellent mouse. But wanting a wireless setup, I have gone for the Logitech G502 Lightspeed. This is an unboxing and my review. In the box you get gaming mouse, Lightspeed wireless receiver, receiver extension adapter, charging/data cable, accessory box, 4x2G weights, 2x4G weights, user documentation. Design is amazing, classy and futuristic at the same time. It feels so sturdy. Super fast connection. Buttons feel so good and convenient for gaming. Great battery life, especially if you set the light brightness to %50. You will barely notice the difference, but you gain double the duration of battery life. Programmable buttons. High DPI. Custom weights. Fits nice in hand. Wireless. Thank you for watching.